Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Who is my daddy and what does he do? That's just two questions, really.
Yeah.
I don't know if I have time to answer those two questions.
Son of a bitch.
Sorry.
He cut you off. Oh my god! Alright, this is gonna be super cool. Now, could you take the apple and put it in your left hand? Oh yeah! Alright. Now take a bite out of it.
I've taken too many bites out of it already.
The core's good. Ah! That was cool though, I got that on video.